Welcome in all my friends, Lazy Retired Granny here. Today is Tuesday, March 19th, 2024, and I have a special video for you. This is a product review from Ryan over at Fan Sales. He contacted me and said, hey, how would you like to pick out a few products and show them on your channel? And I said, sure, I can do that. So he sent me a few things and then one surprise thing. I'll show that at the end. And these were sent to me free of charge to show you. And if you're interested in any of the things that I show, I'll post the links down below. You can go check them out and get the current prices. And I'll also put their website link so you can go browse around there and see what other items that they might have that you could enjoy. So I am going to start with the diamond painting things first. Now, I will tell you all of the diamond paintings that I show you come with the standard pink pen with the single placer, the green tray, and the wax. And these are all round drills, special shaped, or special drills, which the special drills are the rhinestones, crystals, and those are the ones that appear more like a jewel or have a metallic appearance. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this super cute owl. Isn't she cute? And I know it's just a really small 15 by 15, but I just love the colors in this. So I thought, you know what? I am going to try my hand at this one because I love special shapes and special drills. This has 18 colors, and let me bring this up. You can see the key, and the key is on both sides. And we'll bring it up so you can see the drill field is very clear. Look at those eyes. So cute. Yeah, I really like that. I think it's cute. Okay, and then let's take a look at the drills. And we have special shapes, meaning, you know, they're different sizes, shapes. Ooh, look at that pink. Reds. Yeah, that is going to be pretty. This won't take very long to do it all. I really like doing these smaller projects in between bigger ones. And I love owls. So I think that's going to turn out really cute. Okay. So we'll put that one aside. And then I got stickers. And these are Harry Potter stickers. There we go. Yeah, I thought this would be good to do when Mike does his Harry Potter theme for the month. I was thinking of you, Mike. Let's see if I can open up the drills here. And these are also special shapes. And crystal rhinestone. Turn it over here. So that's going to be a fun little project. I've really gotten into stickers lately, so I really like those. And I'll show you the drill field on this. Very clear. Just a fun little project. How many do we get? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. So that'll be fun. Okay. And then oh, does this go with the Harry Potter? What I do here? DXZ. Did I forget to show you? Yeah, oh, this went with the owl. Sorry. I forgot to show you. More drills. Okay, we'll put that with the owl. Okay. And then another diamond painting that he sent me. This is really pretty. I'm really into butterflies right now for some reason. Must be because we're coming up to spring. Got it upside down. This is a 30 by 30 partial, special shapes. And here's the drill field. Look at all those beautiful colors. Oh, yeah. And here's the key. And the drills. Put them over here. Yeah, those are really pretty. Another, quick project to do. Fun. Yeah, I just so enjoy these partials and special drills. And partial means that you only put the drills down in the areas where it says. And this background here is not sticky. So stick, non-stick. All right. All right, and then, oh, he also, I got this pin. And this is a pin that already has the wax in it. And so you just turn this and the wax comes out here. And then you get refills. And it's got 2 pinks and a white. And I'm thinking maybe the white is for the ABs. Now, I did test this out and it works. And the wax is, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like a melted wax, kind of. I don't know how to explain it, but it works good. I really have enjoyed, working with that. Because I opened up the package yesterday when I got it, just to look, make sure of what he had sent, and I'm glad I did. And I thought, oh, I got to try this pin out and see if it works so I can tell you. And it does. It is, I really like it. All right. Then we have a tabletop off canvas project. And this looks like wood. Let me get this closer so you can see it. Butterflies again. So this will be a nice quick project. A nice clear drill field. And so you diamond paint it and then put it in the stand. that. And you have a pretty little picture to put on your table. That's nice. And let's take a gander at the drills. These are beautiful drills. Once again, special shapes, all that goodness. Those beautiful colors. This is going to have a lot of sparkle to it. Yeah, I can hardly wait to do these. So once I have them done, I'll do a follow-up video and show you what they look like. Put that back in the bag so I don't lose anything. There we go. And then the last thing I have to show you came as a surprise. And I'm going to have to move the camera to show you this, but this is a huge painting. It's a 50 by 50. And I'll show you the thumbnail on it. Isn't that cute? And as long as we're here, we'll look at the key. So we got numbers that are in the correct order. We have letters, some symbols, and a few little letters. And look at that drill field. Nice and clear. All right, so might have to move the camera. Like I said, this is a 50 by 50 round drills. Wow, look at all those drills. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's just, let me move Sheldon here so I can move this down a bit. That is so pretty. Sorry for the glare. I'm trying not to glare it. Look at all those pretty pinks. Got pinks in the flowers. I'll get you up close again so you can see more of the drill field. Yep, we got some confetti going, but that's okay. Look at her face. Is that not the sweetest face you've ever seen? Yeah, that's gonna be nice. All right, so let's take a gander at the drill. I'm just gonna turn this over so maybe you can see these drills a little bit better. Lots of drills. How many colors was it? 40 colors. Wow. Thank you, Ryan. This is a special treat for me. I was not expecting this. So, let's see what we've got here. So we've got all kinds of blues here. This looks like they're all 798. We got in this one 826. Those are all the 826. Well, this is kind of neat how they did this. All these, they're little bags, but they put all the same colors together. That's really nice. I don't even know where to start here. Oh my goodness, look at all these. That is a beautiful blue. You can't see it very well down there. purples. Look at these pinks. Oh, those are beautiful pinks. My carnation pink. A few grays. Light gray. I can't think of the name of this blue, but periwinkle maybe? I can't remember. More grays, we got some reds, some sea greens. Wow, let's see what we got here. This must go for her face. It's more of a flesh color. Oh, I love this blue. That is so pretty. More blues. Got lots of blues in this. Yay for me. I love the blues. And we've got a string of whites. And these are like a brick red, I would say. Light brick red. Yeah. Purples. Forest green. More pink. There, you can see these. Wow. Look at all those beautiful colors. This is going to be gorgeous. Oh, I like that. That's pretty. So, we got all of those. So, thank you, Ryan, for sending me that. So, we've got our little fairy here. We've got our stand that we'll be doing. Let me just bring this out again. And we've got my butterflies. And the stickers. The Harry Potter stickers. And we've got a little owl. And then, of course, the pin. And since they sent refills with it, I'm going to assume you can buy more refills for this. But it is, like I said, I did test it out. It works out really good. You just move this a little bit to get your wax out. And, you know, the little vials. You could probably use those vials, reuse them and put drills in them. So yeah, so thank you, Ryan, over at Fan Cells, for sending me all this. I so appreciate it. And I will share all the links down below. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to comment. And if you like this video, give me a like. And if you haven't become one of my friends, just hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a friend. And if you like this video, press that notification bell and be notified of upcoming videos that I'm going to have. All right. Thanks for stopping by.